today I'll be doing a review on my Trek 6500 Zero Access 2011. This bike, starting up front, has BONTREGER rim brakes. I will soon move those to disc brakes. We have BONTREGER tires, front and rear. These help steer, these are arrows. We have a BONTREGER hub along with a BONTREGER through axle. For our forks, we have RockShox Judy's hydrocoils. Then for our mud flap, we have a duck flap. Moving up, we have a headset SE1. For our stem, we have an 8, that is the company, 8 stem in matte black. We have a Trek 2011 stem cap, along with Icon silver matte bars. We have Oasis grips, non-clamp, by the way. We have Shimano V-brakes here in the silver lever. We have Shimano shifting, only in the rear, as you can see. It is a 1x11. Moving back, we have an all-aluminum Zero Access custom front. This is hand-built in America, by the way. America. Then we have Shimano crank arms, as you can see there. Moving down from my Shimano crank arms, we have Cyclove orange nylon pedals, which with replaceable pins that are fully sealed. We have a DECKAS oval chainring, which is 32 tooth. Pretty good so far. It is narrow wide, as you can see. Moving up from that, we have a silver BONTREGER seat post with BONTREGER tail and front lights. We have a Timbuktu reflective saddle pack made in San Francisco. We have a BONTREGER Marlin 5 seat. Moving back, we have V-brakes still, which I will change. We have Shimano Detour LX derailleur. Thank you for watching. This was my bike review. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment.